If you consider storage and organization as part of your decor, then definitely these wire baskets are for you. It makes a space feast for your eyes. Okay, then what are wire baskets good for? Wire baskets are so versatile that we are going to see throughout this video. Keep
I know
watching.
that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble.
Round wire baskets are great to use as a centerpiece on a coffee table filled with seasonal items. It's an affordable and easy way to add farmhouse or industrial style to your home decor. You can try storing coffee table books, candles, etc.
To us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you.
Entryway is the first thing you see when you enter your home, so it needs to be beautiful. It is also the last thing you see when you run out the door. It should also be stocked with your everyday grab items: keys, hats, shoes, and everything else you might need when leaving your space. The key to organization is having a space for everything. Here I have used a wire basket to make a mini sanitizing station and to keep my keys. So it's so easy for me to grab and go.
Through, 'cause we only want what is best for you.
Do you hate running off to the kitchen once dinner has been laid out because you forgot the spoons and forks? This file organizer from IKEA holds the dining table needs: coasters, spoons, napkins, pickles, toothpicks, etc. This keeps your spoons, coasters handy when you're having food. The cleaning also very easy when group things together.
I know that you feel all alone in this world.
Let's get organizing those pesky water bottles lying around on the kitchen countertop or dining table.
You through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
Using deep wire baskets rather than trays prevent it from falling. Using these wire baskets as a storage container for the bottles will ensure that they are always organized. Like someone said, a place for everything, everything is in its place. Another way to incorporate wire baskets in your vintage farmhouse style home decor is by using them as a egg gathering basket. Eggs in a pretty wire baskets always remind me of the old small tea shops keeping their eggs in a hanging wire basket, which is quite fascinating for me.
That everything seems to crumble around you.
Wire baskets are always a best fit for fruits and vegetables. Wire fruit baskets allow air to circulate around, so they ripen evenly at room temperature.
Put your trust into us, and we will help you through. 'Cause we only want what's best for you.
Extra stock of grocery can be stored in these wire baskets in a stylish way. While it perfectly serves the purpose, it adds aesthetics value too.
That you are having trouble believing right now. That everything is gonna
The more organized you keep your books, the more likely they will actually be read and enjoyed.
That you feel all alone in this world, but you have to.
Wire baskets has lot of uses, but using it to store books, magazines, newspapers, etc. is definitely the best way to go. And it can also be easily moved from one room to another. This doesn't just solve a storage problem, it's also add a great visual element. Nothing makes a closet feel more orderly than investing in a set of baskets. These wire baskets make it easy to see the contents and find exactly what I'm looking for. Rather than throwing things on the shelves at random, these storage baskets keeps clothes and accessories organized. Plus, they will make the closet look much more put together. This is a quick small bathroom organization idea. You can use more baskets than plain style shelves. This will keep everything neat and organized.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have
Just by throwing a wire basket on the side table solves all the side table necessities ready.
you through, 'cause we only want what's best. What's best
I find metal wire file holder is always a decorative office accessory.
for you. What is best for you.
Keep your cleaning supplies organized with this functional caddy which can easily carry it from one room to another. I also use these sturdy baskets to store all my vacuum cleaner attachments.
I know that you are having a hard
These baskets also act as a stylish laundry basket.
that everything
Now it's the time for DIYs.
around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best.
The possibilities of using wire baskets are endless. I have shared some, and if you know something, please let me know in the comment section below. I think you have found some organization and storage ideas. I'll see you next time with a new home story. Till then, bye bye.
Right now, that everything is gonna be alright.